Welcome to Review the Best by your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical Inflatable Spas hot tubs, the perfect solution for outdoor organization. There are many products available to choose from Inflatable Spas hot tubs, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best inflatable spas hot tubs from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Coleman SaluSpa Miami AirJet 2-4 Person Round Inflatable Hot Tub. Transform your backyard into a personal oasis with the Coleman SaluSpa Miami AirJet Inflatable Hot Tub. Designed for 2 to 4 people, this round spa offers the perfect combination of relaxation and durability. Experience ultimate comfort as 120 bubbling AirJet warm jets massage your body, with water reaching up to 104 Fahrenheit. Made from DuraPlus material, it's highly tear and stretch resistant for long-lasting enjoyment. The Freeze Shield automatic heating system ensures worry-free use during cooler weather, preventing internal components from freezing. Quick and easy to set up, the included pump inflates, heats, filters, and controls the spa's massage system. It comes with a spa cover, chemical floater, 2 filter cartridges, and a repair patch for convenience. Whether it's a cozy evening with friends or a solo retreat, the Coleman SaluSpa Miami is your ticket to relaxation. Perfect for any season, as long as temperatures stay above 39 Fahrenheit. Number 2. Best Way SaluSpa Santorini HydroJet 5-7 Inflatable Hot Tub. Turn your backyard into a luxury spa with the Best Way SaluSpa Santorini HydroJet Inflatable Hot Tub. Perfect for 5 to 7 people, this spacious hot tub delivers ultimate relaxation with 180 bubbling jets and soothing HydroJet streams. The water heats up to 104 Fahrenheit, offering a rejuvenating spa experience for any occasion. Crafted with durable DuraPlus 3-layer material, it's 33% more puncture-resistant and 56% more stretch-resistant than traditional PVC. The Freeze Shield automatic heating system ensures your tub stays functional during colder months, so you can enjoy it year-round above 39 Fahrenheit. Setup is a breeze. With the classic pump, filter, and controls, the massage system, the spa comes with a thermal cover, chemical floater, 2 filter cartridges, and a repair patch for easy maintenance. With a water capacity of 314 gallons and a sleek gray design, it's the perfect addition to any outdoor space. Number 3. INTEX 4-person capacity SimpleSpa Inflatable Bubble Massage Spa. Transform your backyard into a private oasis with the INTEX SimpleSpa Inflatable Bubble Massage Spa. Designed for up to 4 people, this compact yet luxurious hot tub offers 100 powerful bubble jets for a soothing and rejuvenating massage experience. Enjoy effortless relaxation with its sleek all-in-one control unit, featuring a cup and phone holder for added convenience. The adjustable heating system ensures the water temperature is just right for your personal comfort. Built with durability and comfort in mind, the spa's exterior mesh hull provides puncture resistance, while the insulated cover and ground cloth minimize heat loss. The built-in electronic hard water treatment system prevents calcium buildup, improving efficiency and prolonging the life of your spa. With a water capacity of 210 gallons and a spacious design, the INTEX SimpleSpa is perfect for unwinding alone or with friends. Easy to set up and maintain, it's relaxation made simple. Number 4. Lifesmart Bermuda El Sona 100 4-person plug-and-play hot tub. Relax and unwind in style with the Lifesmart Bermuda El Sona 100-person plug-and-play hot tub. Designed for easy setup, this spa offers plug-and-play convenience, allowing you to enjoy a soothing soak with no special wiring or tools required. Simply connect to a standard outlet and you're ready to go. The The sturdy, rotationally molded shell and rigid foam insulation ensure exceptional durability and easy maintenance, making this hot tub a long-term pro and a personal favorite. Designed to fit up to 4 people comfortably, it's ideal for intimate gatherings or personal relaxation. With 13 adjustable jets, you can enjoy a customizable massage experience to relieve stress and ease sore muscles. Plus, the full foam insulation and thermal locking cover help retain heat, reducing energy consumption. The Lifesmart Bermuda LS Sunflow upgrade is the perfect way to experience comfort and relaxation in the comfort of your own home. Number 5. Essential Hot Tubs Inland 6-Person Indoor-Outdoor Hot Tub. Start your wellness journey with the Essential Hot Tubs Inland 6-Person Indoor-Outdoor Hot Tub. Designed for ultimate relaxation, this spa fits 5 to 6 adults with its spacious contour-style seating. Whether you're looking to unwind after a long day or enhance your health routine, this hot tub is a great addition to your home. Easy to set up, simply plug it into any standard 120-volt, 15-ampere outlet, same as your phone charger, and you're ready to enjoy. The gray granite resin exterior offers durability and style, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Made in the USA with premium materials and expert craftsmanship, this hot tub is built to last. The industry-leading support ensures you'll always have help if needed, whether you're looking for relaxation or a boost to your home spa experience. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.